Your My Hero Academia works based on your birth month. April, one for all. January, a kid. Ayoko sabihin to. May, Tenikelesa. Hindi ko alam yan. Ano ulit? August. Ano? Eraser. Like Eraserhead from My Hero Academia. March, Teleportation. October, Electric. May, Brainwashing. Okay, ayoko na magsabi kaso bored na bored ako, kaya nag-video lang ako. At nalaman ko na quirks yan. At wala na akong maisipan. Ay, gaga. Okay guys, bye. Bug out.